Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about my BLC plan, my daily method of operation, my boost your leads and cash flow plan, my daily method of operation. I had quite a few people ask, so decided to drop the video. First off, there's 3 programs of the first phase of my BLC plan: leadsleap, cash juice, infinity traffic boost. This is what I do and recommend for the basic level, phase 1, people just now getting started. leadsleap. It's a traffic exchange, it's a website builder, it's a whole bunch of things, but one of the things of leadsleap is a traffic exchange. What I do on leadsleap is every day I serve 10 ads. Those 10 ads will get you traffic back to your website. And yes, you can promote the BLC plan on leadsleap, because while leadsleap is one of the programs, there's other programs we're promoting as well. And a lot of people do that very same thing. They take leadsleap and they'll combine it with another program and they'll promote it on leadsleap in and of itself. One of the easiest ways to promote it on leadsleap is to do the traffic exchange. You set up your ad, and then every single day you have to serve 10 ads. In the future, I will do how-to videos of me actually surfing my ads and things like that. But this is just a bird's eye view because there's a lot of content that I'm going to be building around this plan. And it's a little bit of a learning curve. But once you learn it, it's easy. If a guy who spent 12 years in the Marine Corps who does not like college can do this and make money with this, you certainly can. It's not hard. It's just learning the steps. So the first thing I do is surf. You can only serve 10 ads. I serve 20 every single day. That's just me, but that's what I do on leadsleap. Number 2, the cash juice plan. The cash juice plan actually consists of 5 individual programs. One of them is cash juice itself. The second one is traffic ad bar. Then you have easy hits for you, traffic swarm, and traffic splash. So there's 5 pieces of the cash juice plan. What I do is I am a upgraded and paying member here at Cash Juice. I think it's like $4 or $5 a month, something very small. And whenever you refer people to Cash Juice, you get credits. Those credits can be turned into advertising for your site on Cash Juice. Now, wherever I mention advertising and things like that, I myself am promoting my BLC plan. I'm promoting my BLC capture page. That's all I'm promoting, one page, everywhere. My idea is I want to flood all of these sites with my capture page, just that simple. I'm promoting it on leadsleap. When I surf my 20 ads a day, I have that traffic going to my BLC capture page. On traffic ad bar, you have different levels of subscription. You can be a free member. Nothing wrong with that. Or you can upgrade, and their highest paid level is $39.99 a month. I am at that level. You get in where you fit in. You don't have to go in at that level. I myself am, and this whole system pays for itself as a result. But there's like I think there's $9.99, a $29, or a 19. I'm fuzzy on those 2 levels because I'm at the highest level. But I think it's $9.99 and I think it's $19.99. So $9.99, $19.99, $39.99, and free $99. That's what I do on traffic ad bar. I have the highest membership. I serve 20 ads every single day. What they do is they send out an email. You take the email, you serve 25 ads, you get my credits and clicks and whatever. All of that's going to my capture page, and I'm done. I'm not thinking about it anymore. Traffic Swarm is the only other place that has a monthly payment. And again, you can join these for free. You don't have to join the paid versions of them. This is just what I do and my daily method of operation working this plan right here. The first phase of my BLC plan. Traffic Swarm. It has $30 a month, but you can prepay certain months. So if you do a year at a time, you can get it for 20 bucks a month, but you have to pay it right then and there. I just do the 30 a month for Traffic Swarm. You get around 5,000 credits, which is basically 5,000 clicks to your capture page a month. Done deal. I'm going to be doing another video talking about stats because Traffic Exchange clicks and solo ad clicks and YouTube clicks, they're all different, but they have their own ratios to follow. So it's still just a numbers game. So that's what I do. Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, and Traffic Swarm, I just pay the monthlies. Easy Hits for You and Traffic Splash, what I do on those two sites, Easy Hits for You, you get 2,500 credits. I got the paper right here, so just look at it. 2,500 credits, that's 25 clicks on your capture page. $13.95. Traffic Swarm, you get 3,000, and it's 14 bucks. So basically, the monthly at Traffic Ad Bar and Traffic Swarm, that's the $39.99, the 30. I should just write this all out. I'll probably redo this video and write it all out in the future. Those are monthlies. Cash Juice is a monthly. It's like 4 bucks, so I didn't even really include that. And then weekly Traffic Splash and Easy Hits, I do $14 and $13.95 respectively. So what ultimately that does, what I just laid out, rewatch the video again if you have to, is it works out to approximately 1,085 clicks per day to your capture page. 1,085 clicks per day. Or 7,600 clicks weekly. And if you follow what I laid out, like you go in at the highest levels of Traffic Swarm and Traffic Ad Bar, it works out to $191.11 a monthly cost. That's if you are at the highest level on Traffic Ad Bar, paying monthly for the Traffic Swarm, and buying the clicks from Easy Hits for You and Traffic Splash. You don't have to start there. This is a level that I'm comfortable with. I've worked out my numbers, so I know that 1,085 hits per day, 7 days a week, is enough to keep the system going and paying for itself. It creates enough leads coming in and enough people joining on the back end that it pays for itself. Lastly, Infinity Traffic Boost. Also, with Traffic Ad Bar, I surf 25 ads a day. I don't surf Traffic Swarm. I don't surf Easy Hits. I don't surf Traffic Splash. I'm paying for clicks. I'm not sitting there surfing. Lastly, we have Infinity Traffic Boost. This is the third piece. I do surf 10 ads a day. You surf 10 ads, you get a share of Bitcoin. And each of those shares of Bitcoin is worth different amounts. It depends on how well the company does that day. Some days I'll surf 20 ads, which will get me 2 shares. But really, I'm at a point to where I have my referrals who join, they're surfing, and as they surf, I get shares off of what they do. So yesterday I earned 9 shares in the rewards pool, and one of those shares was for me because I only surf 10 ads. But my referrals are surfing, and the more they surf, the more they earn, because every 10 ads you surf, you get paid Bitcoin, and every time they surf a certain amount, I get a share. So it all starts working together. So basically, on a daily basis, I get up, and I actually do this in the evening. As soon as the kiddo goes to bed, I'll put on a motivational audio. It takes 30 minutes. I'll surf my leadsleap, 20 ads, boom. I'll surf my 25 on Traffic Ad Bar, boom. I'm not surfing anything else. I'm not surfing Easy Hits. I'm not surfing Traffic Splash. And Infinity Traffic Boost, I'll surf my 10 or 20. That takes 30 minutes. I've done it. I've sat down and documented it. And again, I'll put on a motivational YouTube video or training or something like that. The kiddo will go to bed. I'll surf my ads for 30 minutes, and I'm done. That keeps 1,085 people clicking my capture page 7 days a week, 7,600 weekly. And in a future video, I'll break down the numbers and show you what you need to look for, because it's simple. Whenever you get a certain amount of clicks on your capture page from a traffic exchange, you should expect a certain amount of leads, and it just becomes a numbers game after that. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. Underneath there's going to be a link to my capture page, the one that I promote on all these places, and a link to the YouTube playlist that documents this whole plan. My next video, stay tuned. I'm going to be getting into each individual program. I'm going to start breaking down leadsleap. I'm going to start breaking down the cash juice plan, and I'm going to start breaking down Infinity Traffic Boost. Throwing out more videos, just basically explaining how these sites work and things like that. So that being said, name's Ron Fraser, wrapping this video up. We will see you in the next one. Peace.